Get to know your Extreme XM friction feeder. For this demonstration, we will be using an Extreme XM12HS high-speed batch count feeder loaded with 8.5 by 11-inch chipboard product samples. This feeder has the same control panel features as the XM1 or any of the HS series feeders. Be sure the trigger assembly is plugged into the back of the feeder before powering on. During the power up, your feeder will perform a self-check. 3 lights on the control panel will flash on and leave the reset light engaged. Pressing the reset light will put the feeder in ready mode. This means your feeder is ready to receive a trigger signal from the trigger sensor or by manually cycling the feeder. Pressing the jog option will engage the feeder while the button is pressed. When you first load your product, jogging a few pieces of product through the feeder is a good way to gauge that the separator is in the correct position, allowing your product to get proper separation and feed evenly. The feeder will constantly run if the jog button is engaged. Depending on your application, the batch count size can be set to 1 for one-shot feeding, or set to any number to create your desired batch count. The XM1 can batch count up to 99 pieces, and the HS series can batch count up to 999 pieces with the addition of the third thumb wheel. The main speed knob controls the belt speed. This can be easily adjusted turning the knob to the desired speed. Another option is the end of batch speed change. This option consists of 2 settings, a dial and a thumb wheel. This option is typically used when batch counting smaller product. When the thumb dial is set to 0, this option is disengaged. By setting the thumb wheel to 1, this will allow a slowdown of the last piece in the batch. This is great for smaller product because the last piece will stop in time without shooting past the photo eye. Typically, this option will never need to get set greater than 1. Be sure the end of batch speed is set lower than the main speed. If the main speed is lower than the end of batch speed, the last piece will speed up as it exits the feeder instead of slowing down. And never set the end of batch speed change equal to or higher than the batch size. This will create inaccurate counts. Next is the trigger delay option. This option is designed to create a gap or lag time between the trigger sensor signals the feeder and when the feeder begins to cycle. Having the trigger delay set to the minus sign will engage the feeder as soon as a signal is received. Increasing the delay will increase the lag time between receiving the signal and cycling the feeder. This option is ideal when you're feeding into a flighted or lug conveyor. Increasing or decreasing the delay from the time the trigger sensor detects the passing lug on the conveyor will help you control where the product falls in the pocket of the conveyor. This option is also used when the self-trigger option is engaged located in the back control panel. For example, if the self-trigger option is turned on, batch counting can be performed continuously on a shingling or stacking conveyor without needing to trigger a signal or manually cycling the feeder. An operator can simply scoop up the stack along the conveyor. The main speed is used to control the belt speed, and the trigger delay can be set to create a gap between each batch count.